We offer one comprehensive service, so you have peace of mind that all areas of your IT environment are supported by us. Our service is charged on a per person per month basis, allowing for simple budgeting and monthly flexibility as numbers change. 98% of what we do can be done remotely. However, if you need a site visit, that's no problem. We just charge separately for these to help keep your monthly costs low. This way, if you don't need them, you're not paying for the privilege. We don't believe in locking you into long-term contracts without proving ourselves to you first. And instead, we offer a 30-day rolling notice for the first 12 months. We also include service guarantees in each contract. These are based on feedback from your employees' experience with our service, rather than confusing SLAs that are difficult to measure. Partnership is our focus, so if you want to harness the benefits of the cloud or look at automation, we want to support you with this, and we do so by offering reduced project costs.